Today in Illustrator, I'm going to show you how to make a flower. So you're going to go on the internet and get any flower you want and import it to here. And what you're going to do is you're going to click the pen tool and you're going to click here and make an anchor point. Then you're going to go up and it'll create a line. Now I'm using a stroke so I can see where I'm going. But you can use a fill if you want, and you keep going. On curves, you're going to drag the way you want. I'm dragging down because that will make my line go up and fit it. You're going to want to get as close as possible as you can to that curve. You keep going. And you do this for the rest of the flower. It does not have to be precise, but you can be if you want. Just try your best. Now all these points I'm making are anchors too, so you can move them if you need to by clicking Alt. You can make your lines as long and as short as you want. It'll make it either go faster or slower, it just depends on how much time you have. Now when you're done, you want to click where you started so it'll end it. And what you can do is take it and drag it over so it's out of the way and your pen tool won't pick up on there. Then what you do is click the pen tool again, and you're going to go here and trace the screen part. Just the same way you did the flower. And then what you can do is once you have that, you can right click and you can go group. So if you copy and paste it or move it, it'll all go with it. So what you can do is you can click Control C for copy, and then you can click Control V and paste how many ever you want. Then what you do is you bring this in and line these up how you want it. You can rotate it by that box. Oops. If they're not big enough, you can press Shift and it'll expand. And keep doing this for the whole thing until you're completely done. I ran out, so I'm going to click Control V 2 more times because it's how many I need. Click it and move them again. Last one. Once you're done, you can select the background image and get rid of it if you want. What you can do moving it in to make sure it fits. Now if there are tiny gaps, you can click shift or hold shift and go here and move them out. So that'll make sure that it just looks like right. Okay, so then you're gonna want to click your big flower, and what you can do is go switch, and what you can do is click this and make any color you want. I'm gonna go this color, and then for the leaves, you can hold shift and click them all so that'll select them all. What you can do is you can go to fill, and you're going to want to choose a green color, any green color you want. You're going to click OK. And what you can do, since you have them all selected, right click and click group. So that allows you to move them anywhere you want. So then what you can do is you can right click, go to arrange, and send to back so you don't see those lines, so it looks like it. And on here, you can go to here and you can click this and it'll give you no stroke so it doesn't look like they're separate. Now what you can do is click on this and you can go over to your gradient and you can drag your color down into here. Or you can go here, double click, drag a color over, or go to swatches and drag a color down, and you get rid of this black. Well, what you can do is you get a white, bring it down, then you drag this black. What you want to do is go linear, but you're going to want to change the or you want to do radial. But you're going to want to bring this over so the pink goes out more and it goes white at the edges. You're going to do the same thing on the screen. You're going to take and click and take this, or click a green and drag it down. Bring it over the same way. Now the only thing missing is this circle. So what you can do is you can go to this rectangle tool, and you can go to the rounded rectangle tool on your, or the ellipse tool on your picture. And what you do is you can hold down shift and you can draw a perfect circle. Precisely the size you want. And you can press Control X, Control V, and we get that. You can do whatever color you want. I'm going to do a yellow. Drag it in there, get rid of this green. I'm doing radial, but I want the yellow to come out, so you're going to switch these sides. What you can do is you can go up here and click whatever color stroke you want. I'm going to do white, and then you can go over here, and you're going to make a stroke thicker. And you've made a flower.